Hi there, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make leave-in conditioning spray. What is leave-in conditioning spray? Leave-in conditioning spray is a water-based conditioner that provides intense moisture and hydration to the hair. So, these ingredients are simple and easy to make, and you might have almost all the ingredients at home. So, let's get started. First, we measure out 1 cup of water. Water is the main ingredient for leave-in conditioning spray. Next is shea butter. Shea butter seals moisture into the hair, increase shine, and reduce frizz. It is also rich in vitamins A and E to nourish and protect the hair. So here we measure out 1 tablespoon of shea butter. And also, shea butter soothes an irritated scalp and protect against heat. Next is 1 teaspoon of emulsifying wax. Next is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil can moisturize dry, brittle hair, making it softer and more manageable. So we take 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Also, jojoba oil is a thin, non-greasy oil that hair can easily absorb. Next is vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin helps to trap moisture into the hair, and it also helps to repair the hair. So we take 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. Here we are going to be using double boiler method to melt the butter and the emulsifying wax. So I put the water into a pan on the stove because I'm going to be melting those things. And here I turn the water into a bigger bowl for easy mixture, and also the glycerin into the water. The emulsifying wax into the shea butter and jojoba oil, then we put it in the boiling water and allow it to melt, and for the water and the glycerin to heat up. Always remember to put the water on low heat so that it will not compromise with the nutrients. Liking the video so far? Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Here the shea butter and the emulsifying wax have melted properly. So we turn it into the water and we give it a little mix. You can use your whisk to mix it, but I'm going to be using my electric mixer after I take it out of the boiling water. So after a little mix, I took it out, and here I'm going to be using my electric mixer to mix it up. So after giving it a good mix with my electric mixer, I'm going in with vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil acts as antioxidant and is very healthy for the hair. So I'm putting in 1/8 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and then preservative. Because this leave-in conditioning spray has a lot of water in it, you need preservative to keep it from going bad. So I put in 1/8 teaspoon of preservative, then I gave it a good mix. If you are still watching up to this point, thank you so much. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your continued support. So here I'm adding fragrance to it, peppermint essential oil and orange essential oil. And this helps it to have a good smell. And I put in 5 drops each. So I mix that in. You might choose to use whisk or you use your electric mixer to mix it in, but it doesn't really matter. You can just mix it with a spatula and that's fine. So you allow it to cool down properly, and when it's cool, there's going to be a separation between the ingredients and the water, so you mix that in. That's why you should always shake your leave-in conditioning spray before you use it. So I'm going to turn it into this bottle. The way my bowl was, I didn't really need a funnel, so I just turn it into it, and like I said, you shake it before you use. So I'm going to turn the rest into these bottles. I hope you like this video. Please give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. And there you have it, how to make your organic leave-in conditioning spray at home, and they are easy with just 5 ingredients in it. And let's try it out. So I try this on freshly washed hair, and this is what I use to detangle my hair. I didn't use any other thing. I use this and oil and my butter, and I'm gonna put that in the description box if you want to know how to make your moisturizing cream. And also, this is my daughter, my youngest daughter, and look at how it separates her hair. It's just the leave-in conditioning spray that I use because it has water and oils and all those goodness in it. I just use it to add moisture to our hair, detangle it, and also redo it. I just wanted to use the hair to show an example, and this is it. This is how to use the leave-in conditioning spray. And once again, leave-in conditioning spray is a water-based product that provides moisture and intense hydration to the hair. So there you have it. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for your continued support. Like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Take care.